How to add order notes on cart page Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can go ahead and add order notes in your cart page checkout page, okay? Now, basically, when you're on your checkout page, first of all, you're going to need some type of product, okay, to have a checkout page. Without a product, you will not be able to get a checkout page. So I'm quickly going to go ahead and a product for myself. Okay, once we do this, I'm gonna go ahead and click that, click on save. Yeah, that should be pretty much about it. So once we do that, now you're gonna go over to your online store. Okay, go to your online store customizer. So we're gonna click on customize. Now once you click on customize, you're gonna have your things over here. So I'm gonna click on this and load it up. Now once we come over here, we're gonna click on buy it now, and it's going to take me to the checkout page. So here you can see you have this whole cart page. So this is essentially all the things that my cart page has. Or let's say I'm going to come back over here. This is obviously a checkout page. I forgot. If you want to go to the cart page, you're going to go over here. And yeah, here you go. So here is your basic cart page, right? Pretty basic of all the things like your header, essentials about your cart page. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be going with the different items that you have. You have subtotal price, you have your cart checkout button, you have the footers, the headers, all these basic things. Now on the right hand side, somewhere when you are in your cart page, it's going to tell you or give you a setting which is going to say enable automatic cart updates and enable cart notes, okay? It's going to say it on the right hand side, but it obviously depends on your store's working. It depends if your store has the proper, you could say, settings up. And so if your store is not updated, you will not see this option. But yeah, you can simply add in your cart updates from this section on the right hand side. Okay, you're gonna find your cart page setting over here, and you should essentially be good to go. Okay, so just find the necessary things, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. Or you can simply come into cart over here and just click on enable cart note, and that is how you can add order notes to your cart page. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.